Today we're diving into one of the most important features of Ethereum, which is the smart contracts. By the end of the lesson, you'll understand what smart contracts are and how they work, why smart contracts are revolutionary in technology, and real-world examples of how smart contracts are used. Smart contracts are what make Ethereum more than just another currency. They enable trust, automation, and innovation. Let's dive in. So the first question is, what is a smart contract? A smart contract is like a digital agreement or program that runs on the blockchain. Here's how it works. It automatically executes tasks when specific conditions are met. It doesn't need a middleman like a lawyer, bank, or notary. And it's secure, tamper-proof, and always transparent because it operates on the blockchain. Think of a vending machine. You insert money, the machine checks the amount, and if correct, it delivers your snack. Everything happens automatically without a cashier. Smart contracts work similarly. They automate processes based on predefined rules, but for far more complex tasks. So why are smart contracts important? Smart contracts are revolutionary because they automate tasks, so everything runs automatically, which saves time. They increase security, so transactions are encrypted and stored on the blockchain. And they reduce costs by removing intermediaries, so you save money. And the last point is that they ensure transparency. The rules and results are visible to everyone. These features make smart contracts faster, cheaper, and more reliable than traditional agreements. So how do smart contracts work? Let's break it down step by step. The first step is setting the rules. So the agreement's terms are written in code. For example, if X happens, then do Y. The second step is to add it to the blockchain. The smart contract is deployed on the Ethereum blockchain, making it tamper-proof. And as we've discussed in the past, the blockchain is like a digital notebook of all transactions that have happened in the past, and they are tamper-proof. They cannot be changed. The third step is to wait for conditions to be met. So the contract monitors the blockchain for the required input. For example, if the payment is received, then it will proceed. And the fourth and last step is to automatically execute. So once the conditions are met, the contract executes the action, like transferring funds or delivering a service. Everything is automatic, secure, and requires no human intervention after it's set up. So let's look at a couple of examples of smart contracts in everyday life. Smart contracts can be used in many different ways, making them incredibly versatile. The first is in rent payments. A smart contract can automatically transfer rent to a landlord every month. If a payment isn't made, the smart contract could lock access to the property. The second is freelance work. So a freelancer gets paid automatically once they complete and submit their work, and there are no delays or disputes over the payment. The third is insurance claims. If your flight is canceled, a smart contract could automatically issue a refund, so there's no need to contact customer service or fill out forms. These are just a couple of examples of how smart contracts can simplify daily, everyday transactions. So you might be wondering, why are smart contracts better than traditional agreements? Smart contracts improve traditional agreements in a couple of different ways. The first point is that there are no middlemen. There's no need for banks, lawyers, or intermediaries to handle agreements. The second is that it's faster. Tasks are executed instantly once conditions are met. The third point is that it's cheaper, so you save money by eliminating middleman fees. The fourth point is that it's tamper-proof. The rules are stored on the blockchain and cannot be changed. And the last point is that it's accessible worldwide. Smart contracts work anywhere with access to the internet, removing barriers for global use. Traditional agreements are slow, expensive, and usually prone to errors. Smart contracts are much faster, they're cheaper, and they're also more reliable. So, how do smart contracts benefit businesses? Businesses are embracing smart contracts because they bring efficiency and trust to operations. So, one area is around supply chain management, where payments can be automatically released when goods are delivered. And for your own benefit, supply chain management refers to, for example, in a grocery store, bringing all the things they sell to the grocery store, including the delivery and obtaining all the different goods. The second point and area is around token sales. And so companies can sell tokens securely through smart contracts. Another area is through employee payments. So bonuses or salaries can be sent automatically based on performance. And the last area is in voting systems. So smart contracts allow transparent and are also tamper proof in voting areas in companies or communities. So by removing the paperwork and manual processes, smart contracts make businesses faster and more efficient. So we've been talking about all the benefits of smart contracts, but that's not to say that there are no challenges, right? So there are a couple of challenges, and I'd say that while smart contracts are powerful, they have a couple of challenges, which I'll talk about. The first area is around code errors. If there's a mistake in the code, it could lead to issues. Because remember, there's no human behind any of this. Once a human types up the code, which links to the smart contract, if there's an error in the code, that again can lead to some major issues. The second point is access to real world data. So smart contracts cannot directly access information like stock prices or weather data. They rely on tools called oracles to bring this data into the blockchain. And the last point is around complexity. Writing smart contracts requires technical knowledge and programming skills. But despite these challenges, smart contracts are constantly improving and becoming easier to use. Remember, this is something that came about a couple of years ago, so it's still in the process of development. So going back to the topic of Ethereum, the question you might be having is how come Ethereum is the leader in smart contracts? Well, Ethereum is the most popular blockchain for smart contracts because it was first. Ethereum introduced smart contracts to the world. Also, it's flexible, so its programming knowledge, which is called Solidity, allows developers to create complex and innovative contracts. And also because of community support, Ethereum has a super large developer community that's constantly improving its features. Other blockchains and cryptocurrencies like Solana and Cardano also support smart contracts, but Ethereum remains the leader because of its proven track record and widespread adoption. So, smart contracts are already transforming industries, but their future potential is even greater. The first area is around decentralized finance. And as I've mentioned in the past, that refers to borrowing, lending, and trading without banks. And these can all be powered by smart contracts. And decentralized finance is a topic we'll be talking about a decent amount in future lessons. The second area is around healthcare. So think about automating insurance claims, managing medical records, and ensuring privacy. The third area is around real estate. So speeding up property sales and reducing fraud through blockchain agreements. And the fourth is around global payments. So enabling instant, low-cost transactions worldwide. Smart contracts are expected to make industries more efficient, secure, and accessible. So, to sum up, a smart contract is a self-executing agreement that runs on the blockchain. It eliminates middlemen, which saves time and ensures security and transparency. Everyday examples of where it can be applied include rent payments, freelance work, and insurance claims. Businesses and industries are already using smart contracts to becoming more efficient. And while there are challenges, smart contracts are improving and unlocking new possibilities. So this topic of smart contracts is an area that excites a lot of world leaders and business leaders because it's something that is really going to transform the way we view and execute contracts, right? By digitizing and automating a lot of these processes, you eliminate a lot of potential for human flaws that can enter the system. So, this is an area that's still evolving extremely fast, and every day there's new advancements being made. But thanks to the power of Ethereum and the blockchain, it's something that should be able to grow over time and become more adopted by people every day.